Hey there. Frustrated with your Anker power bank not charging USB-C devices? You're not alone. Anker makes reliable power banks, but sometimes they can encounter issues with USB-C charging. Don't worry. In this guide, we'll share essential tips and tricks on how to fix Anker power bank not charging USB-C, making sure your devices stay powered up when you need them most. Step 1. Inspect the cables and ports. The first thing to do is check the obvious. Inspect your USB-C cable and the ports on your Anker power bank. Look for any visible damage such as fraying or bent connectors. Damaged cables or ports can prevent proper charging. Try swapping out the USB-C cable with another one to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, make sure there's no debris in the power bank's port, as this can hinder connection. Use a dry, soft brush or compressed air to gently clean out any dust. Step 2. Check the power bank's battery level. Sometimes the power bank itself may not have enough charge to power your devices. Connect the Anker power bank to a power source and ensure it's fully charged. Most Anker models have LED indicators that show the battery level. If your power bank is low, let it charge for a couple of hours before testing it again on your USB-C device. Step 3. Verify device compatibility. Not all devices are compatible with every power bank model. Double check that your Anker power bank supports the charging needs of your USB-C device, especially if it requires fast charging or has a high power requirement. The Anker website or user manual can provide details on compatibility. If your device isn't compatible, consider using a different power bank model that meets the device's specifications. Step 4. Update firmware or reset. For some Anker power bank models, particularly smart models, a firmware update might be available. These updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Visit Anker's website or contact their support for firmware instruction. Additionally, performing a reset on your power bank might resolve the charging problem. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or until the LED lights flash. This simple step can recalibrate the power bank setting. Step 5. Contact Anker support. If you've tried all these steps and your Anker power bank still isn't charging USB devices, it's time to reach out to Anker's customer support. They can provide further troubleshooting advice or facilitate a warranty claim if your unit is defective. Be sure to have your purchase details and model information on hand when contacting support. Dealing with an Anker power bank that's not charging via USB-C can be frustrating, but these steps should help resolve most issues. By examining your cables and ports, ensuring the power bank is charged, checking compatibility, updating firmware, and reaching out to support when needed, you can get back to using your power bank hassle-free. Remember, taking a few moments to care for your power bank can extend its life and keep your devices charged whenever you're on the go.